In this video, we're going to look at probability and listing outcomes. So previous knowledge required for this is listing combinations N49. A teacher chooses 2 students from the class. What is the probability that she picks 2 boys, 2 girls, or a boy and a girl? And we have girls here, Lucy, Kate, and Molly, and boys, Ben and Joe. So let's work out who all could be asked if I chose Lucy. So if Lucy was chosen, Lucy could go with Kate, Lucy could go with Molly, Lucy could go with Ben, or Lucy could go with Joe. Okay, so let's pick Kate. Kate could go, I'm not going to write down Kate and Lucy because that's exactly the same thing. So I'm going to fix here on Kate. Kate could go with Molly, Kate could go with Ben, or Kate could go with Joe. Then I'll do the same to Molly. Molly could then go with Ben or Joe, just because I've already got Molly with Kate and Lucy somewhere else. Then I have Ben, and Ben then can go with Joe, because Ben can go with 4 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I've got him there 4 times already, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is all my answers. But the probability that she picks 2 boys. Well, the only 2 boys that are B and J. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 out of 10. 2 girls. Okay, so 2 girls is Lucy and Kate, Lucy and Molly, Kate and Molly, Ben and Joe, Ben and Joe. Okay, so 3 out of 10. And C, a boy and a girl. Let's highlight this one for C. So a boy and a girl, but there's a girl and a girl, a girl and a girl. There is a boy and a girl, a boy and a girl. Kate and Ben, Kate and Joe. Molly and Ben, Molly and Joe. Was basically everything was left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 10. Seven different balls are placed in 2 boxes like shown below. 1 ball from each box is pulled out. List all the possible outcomes. I'll do that first of all. Okay, so this is part A. You could guess. So I'm going to fix here on the white. I want to do the white. You could guess a white with a white with a pink, a white with blue. So I've done that for the whites. Then I'll do it the same again for the blues. I'll get a blue and all of these. So I could get a blue and a white, a blue and a pink, a blue and a blue. Do the pink, I could get a pink and a white, pink and a pink, pink and a blue. And finally, I do the yellow, a yellow and a white, a yellow and a pink, a yellow and a blue. So there is part A done. Part B. What's the probability of picking 2 pinks? 2 pinks, that's the only one that happens. 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 in total. And C, what is the probability of picking 2 different colors? And highlight this. 2 different colors. So I should have left 5, 5, blue, blue, pink, pink. So 9 out of 12. Okay, here is a question to have a go at. Press pause, and the answers will follow in 1 moment. And there is your answer.